Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the Xbox One, then remove external drives and disks so nothing shifts inside. Once done, flip the console and peel rubber feet only where seams meet to reveal slot edges. These mark the plastic clips that hold the top shell. Make sure to use a thin pry tool or guitar pick at these 4 tab zones, then apply steady, even pressure to pop tabs sequentially. You'll hear soft clicks as each clip releases. Go slowly to avoid snapping plastic. Now focus on separating the top shell without tools that bite into plastic. Once a couple clips are freed, work one side at a time to keep alignment and reduce stress. Using a pick, slide along the seam to disengage hidden inner hooks while holding the opposite side down. This preserves clip tension. When the rear edge is loose, lift it first to clear hidden tabs, then lift the front. Make sure to note clip positions and set the screws-free shell aside on a soft surface. With the shell removed, you can access internals. Always start by disconnecting ribbon cables gently, flipping ZIF latches, and pulling straight out. Once cables are free, unclip metal shielding using fingertip pressure at clip edges and lift components like the HDD and optical drive slowly to avoid bending connectors. If a clip still resists, make sure nothing is hiding it, then warm the seam for 10 to 15 seconds with a hairdryer to relax plastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.